Hi guys, PD Tech here with a little crash video for you. This is the footage from my Hubsan H502c. I'm in one of the spots I usually fly in. I'm quite high up, I've got good visibility all the way around. There's nobody around here. I sort of take off. I climb to about 20 meters. It's really windy. Over 10 miles an hour, 15 up to gusts up to 15 miles an hour. Now I've flown this in this sort of wind speed before and it's been alright. I'm trying to go forwards, making headway into the wind at this point. It's just really not a good idea to fly in conditions like this. It can cause sort of flyaways and toilet bowling and all sorts. I'm just trying to make my way forward into the wind. It's losing a bit of altitude. So at this point, I come to a bit of a stop. The GPS should lock it in position. It should altitude hold. I notice it starts to toilet bowl a little bit, so I try and climb, get a bit more altitude, and it's still toilet bowling. I'm really struggling with it, and the wind just gets underneath it at this point. I don't know if the motor's cut out, but I see it flying really high above my head. It's going right over my head, climbed a load of altitude, and then I see it come tumbling down at this point, and that's it, bang into the ground. And I'm thinking, oh, this is going to be a right mess. It's going to be in a mess. So I'm walking over to it. Luckily I can see it. It's white. It stands out in this sort of terrain. And I'm thinking it's going to be broken. But these Hubsans are really are robust. They're strong little things. It just bounced basically. I thought at the very least it's going to have a couple of damaged props. Anyway, I get to it. Eventually get to it and I pick it up. And the props are fine. I spin all the motors. They all look fine. And I'm just really glad that it's all in one piece. The props are okay. And I was just worried it was heading towards those trees over there. And I thought if it had gone in those trees, I would have lost it for good. That would have been it. Anyway, just a little bit of a heads up. What can happen if you fly in strong winds, guys. So fly safe. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye for now. Oh, please subscribe.